Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome ring. It's an easy to make ring and pretty to look at. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start. So, you need only 3 items to make this. One is a tape machine. Only 2 items. Yes. So, the first item is a tape machine and the other item is 3 cotton balls. So, we can make it with this. Let's start. So, first take the tape machine and take out a strip of sellotape. Next, take the sticky part of the sellotape and turn it like this and make it in the shape of a circle. Make it into a circle like this. The circle should be that the outer part will be sticky and the inner part will be smooth. Take the sellotape and stick it on any surface. Take a cotton ball and place it in the middle. And if it is too big, cut it. Take another cotton ball, place it in the side. And as it is sticky, it will stick. And take the third one and place it on the other side. Then carefully take the tape, pick it out, and here your ring is ready to wear. Well, if you want to decorate it in any way, you can. But before that, let's get on to the next step. Take the tape machine and pick out another small strip of sellotape. It has to be smaller than the size of the sellotape used for the ring. Well, it shall be this small. The next and the last step is hold it like this and put the sellotape, attach it like this. This way the down part won't be sticky anymore. Then if you want to decorate it in any way, you can. And your ring is ready to wear. It looks as if the finger is surrounded by cottons, but it actually isn't. It's just the ring. But in case it doesn't fit in your finger, you can make another one bigger in size and make sure to measure that one before you even make it. In case you want to decorate your ring, I'll show you how to do so. Take out your poster colors and choose any 2 colors. I'll choose red and magenta. Take the colors, take a paintbrush and put the ring this way. Then paint the cottons only, but in any color. I'll show you one design. Here, this is also a design. The design is the red will be the only one in the middle and the purple will surround it on the left side and the right side. So this was our today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.